Hey guys, welcome to Financial Health and Wealth, where we educate you in various ways to improve your life financially and live long, healthy lives. So today we're going to talk about a new year, a new financial you. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, then like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know more about future videos. Let's get started. The new year is best known for resolutions. The trouble is that many of New Year's resolutions don't survive past the first month or so. Why is that? You might suspect it's because we set unrealistic goals or lack the proper motivation. If you got some financial resolutions and you want to stick to them, the key is to set realistic goals and to have the proper discipline to hang in there, especially when the going gets tough. Consider the following tips. Everyone can improve their finances, and as a bonus, you won't end up with a basement full of barely used exercise equipment that's standing in for clothes drying racks. 1. Put away your credit cards. Do you have a fireproof box at home? You probably should to store your extra important documents like the title to your car or your will. This might be the perfect place for your credit cards. Many families struggle with credit card debt, and in many cases, they aren't even sure where the money actually went. Credit can be a crutch that only ends up helping us postpone healthy financial habits. The frequent result is years of accumulating interest payments and growing balances that may prevent you from maximizing your savings. Debt also may lead to household friction. Lock the credit cards in the strong box and make a pact with the rest of your household to use a credit card just for when you have a real emergency. And this would only occur if you depleted your normal emergency fund. And 2, get your own life insurance policy. It's great to see families insured by at least an employer-sponsored policy, but how insured are they really? Employer plans usually don't follow you to the next job, and the benefit for your family is typically limited to a fixed amount, such as $50,000, or in some cases up to 1 or 2 times your salary. That's probably not enough coverage for your family, and it might disappear at any time if you were to change jobs. Get a quote for your own life insurance policy that better meets your needs and that you can control. Number 3, make a budget. Many of us think we know where our money goes, but making a budget will illuminate your spending in vivid, full-color detail. You might startle your family with loud explanations as you realize how much you actually spend on gourmet coffee shops, eating out, clothes, golf accessories, etc. It could add up quickly. A budget may not only help you cut spending, but it may also help you build your emergency savings. Yes, this should be a budget item, and start piling away more money for retirement. Another necessary budget item. 4, know your number. Nope, not the winning lotto number. In this case, your number is the one that can help you reach a financial goal. Saving for retirement without knowing how much you'll need or how much you can put away each month is like running a race blindfolded. You need to see the course and the finish line ahead. That's your number. Whether saving, paying down debt, or accomplishing any other financial goal, you need to identify the number that will define your short-term targets and help you reach your ultimate destination. If you need help with your goals or aren't sure how to find the number you need to know to prepare for your future, reach out to your local financial services rep. So thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like and subscribe buttons and keep getting future content, and go ahead and tap that notification bell while you're at it. Enjoy the rest of your day.